Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a picture or a video to your story on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, go to your homepage by tapping on the first button down below and tap on Create a Story. Here, as you can see, your camera roll has been opened, so you can select from your videos or photos here. But you can also create a story by adding a simple text, boomerang, selfie, or green screen. So if you want to add like a post to your story, tap on this first button here and start typing in something. Then you can add stickers to it, your location, the time, temperature, text someone, you can donate, create a poll as well if you want to, like asking a question. And then the viewers of your story can decide and tap on the yes or no, thereby answering your question. You can add GIFs, emojis. You can add a text box again, draw, and tag people as well. If you want to share it to your story, tap on the Share to Story button down below in the right side corner of the screen, thereby adding this post to your story. But you can also add videos or pictures to it, so select one and you can do the same steps, such as adding stickers, text, effects, draw to it, or tag people. And you can also select from these filters here. If you want to add it to your story, tap on the Share to Story button down below in the right side corner of the screen. As you can see, now it is uploading. So if you tap on the Your Story section, you will be able to see your items that you have added here. So if you want to, for example, delete, tap on this three dots icon and tap on Delete Photo, tap on Delete again. And now, as you can see, this first photo has been deleted from your story. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.